Look, this one's got heat stroke. I'll try to save it. Put it in the sand, bury it, see if we can save it.
Rescue it in the sand. See if you can save it.
My honey trees, so beautiful.
Had fun right away, wonder what I'll do today, Shibang!
Bury it up. Pretty cool, right?
It won't get up now, it's so cool down there.
Look at it now, won't even move. Definitely can't save it.
Take it to the river.
Fix up my water wheel.
Since I invented that water wheel, finally useful in the mountains. Sorry about that. There you go. See, I tied it to the frame. It's biting the bamboo. Just tie its butt and we're good. Now you can slowly spin it around. Fun, right? All right. Perfect. Called my brother over too. Get this water flow. Adjust it a bit so it spins out faster. We'll grab it later. Got this all set up. Let it spin on its own. Spins faster and faster. Let me soak this first. Soak this bamboo. Remember to bring that bamboo tube. We'll use this tube to soak it. Brought the cleaver over. Now ginger in the bowl. Mix it up soy sauce. Add some cooking wine. Add some more salt. Add this oil. Add this oil too. Stir it up. Sun's too strong. Wow, can't take this heat. Skin's all dark. Getting burned. I'm going in for a dip. Oh my. The bamboo followed me. I'll give you a bath. Let me wash you. Still scared to pull, didn't know it followed me. It definitely thought I'd fall in the water. Ran over to save me.
Soaked it a bit while, much better. Let's make fire together. Now add some sauce.
Add some honey. Can smell it. And can smell it.
Add more honey. This is the most beautiful roast.
This is the most beautiful roast.
This conches fresh intestines.
Add some chili powder.
我炸你 add some chili powder.
This chili powder isn't spicy.
Finally getting used to enjoying this.
好不容易适应小城楼的 chili powder.
Add some chili.
Getting cold, need more.
Want to get the fire going.
Wait, hold on. Look, plenty of chili powder. I think the guy can't handle it today, Kendra. 是因为小哥今天吃不来. Fire's hot. So hot. Can't touch it. Got burned. Smells amazing, so spicy. Really chewy. It's cooked through. That's it for today's video. Gonna sit and eat slowly. This claw scratched me. Those claws scratch me. Let me check first. Go. Hurry up, go. Hurry up. Go. Hurry up, go. Hurry up.